Hello students, so today we will be learning how to install MySQL in our computer. So as you can see, we have first type MySQL, then we will get this page, and here you can see we will click on download and we will scroll it down. So when we will click on download, you will see like this. So we will scroll it down and then you will get an option. So you'll click on MySQL community and then you will get this option. As you can see down, MySQL installer for Windows, and then you will get these two options will be available here, and here you have to click on the second option, 260 88 MB or something. Second option you have to click, and next this option, no thanks, just start my download. Just click on that, and as you can see our download has started. So as it downloads, we will wait. So as you can see our download is completed. Now what we will do, we will double click on this to open. So when you double click on this, you will see it will open. Wait for some time. So here as you can see download has started. It will take some time. So as you can see download is almost complete. So you will get next, you will get this screen. So here what you have to do, you have to select one by one. You have to go to the MySQL server. So as you can see here, you just do as I am doing. First you will select the MySQL server and then you will click on the plus option, and then you will click on workbench. We will select the workbench. Next we will select the server, and the server will be selected, and in middle you have seen some arrows are there. That one you click, it will go to the next. Then here execute button you have to press the execute button, and then the execution will start. Wait for the execution, and then as it completes we will get some other option. There is product configuration. I'll show you how to do that. So here as you can see the third option is about to complete, and as soon as the third option completes, it's now 66. So as you can see now we have already completed, and then next option will come. Next you press, and here just no need to do any changes. Next, and then this here also no need to do anything. Next you press. They will ask to put set a password. Just set a password whatever you feel like, whatever comfortable you are. So just set the password and press next option. So as you can see they will ask you some, show you some options, and this one also just press execute, and when execution is done, finish button you press. After that some formalities, wherever they ask you just click on finish. Next option is like now installation is done. Now we have to set the root of our program. So for that what you have to do, you have to click on the my computer option or this PC or whatever. No, so you have to click on here. I will be clicking on the this PC option. So it depends on your computer what name you have written. So you open the file where C drive you will open, then go to the program files, then search, scroll down and search MySQL. So when you will get the MySQL option, then click on MySQL server 8.0. so there you will get one option, there is bin. Okay, so as you can see here I will be clicking now. So here you click and then bin you will get, then you just click on bin and then select the link. Okay, the link you select and just copy it, just press there, it will come, you can select. Then in your search option, now start button, search environment variables and click on open. When it will open you will get a screen like this. So there you will click on environment variables down, and you set the path here. New you will do, and here copy paste you will do, and then OK you press, again OK, and then again OK. So your path is set. Now you will go again in the start menu, and you will press there cmd command prompt. So you just see what I am doing here. So you will press cmd command prompt, you will get this, and here what you have to write, just see, you will write here MySQL space hyphen hyphen, and then you will write version, and then enter. Then you will see your MySQL server is installed now, so the instruction will come here. Next line again MySQL will come there, then /u, write there u, and then root you write root root, then hyphen you write, and p, and then enter. Then they will ask you to enter the password, so you just enter the password what you have written, and as you can see you will get the screen. Now see, you can use it. So just type show databases. So as you can see, you see the predefined or the installed database now, sample database. You can see your sample database here. And to create a database, as you know, you just write create database. I am writing here school, so you can create any database, and as you can see the query OK, and one row affected, so your database is being created. Now you can use the database, and you can create tables, or you can create all those, whatever you want to do you can do now. So as you can see, your SQL is installed. So just how you will start, so just go in start button, MySQL you type, and MySQL workbench you just press there, and then you will get, you can open again once more. I am just opening and showing you, so how you can do. So this is how it will appear. Now just we will see, we have created one database, that database is coming or not. So as you can see here, the school database is available here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope so. Thank you once again. You will learn SQL, install it, and use it.